Well, it's a pancake day, and I think it's a pancake day because I'm gonna make pancakes today. Today's a pancake day. Get ready for some pancakes. Get ready for some pancakes, pancake day. Get ready for some pancakes, pancake day. You better get no. Gotta get no. Gotta get no. I gotta get no. I gotta get no. I gotta get no. I gotta get pancakes, pancake day. Because you know, you got a pancake day. Gotta get syrup, pancake day. The syrup, essential part of pancake day. Instructional video. Step 1, you gotta make your pancakes. You take ingredients and then you make your pancakes. Step 2, put pancakes all together. Then you gotta get the pancakes together. Step 3, prepare your syrup. You can put it on top of your pancakes or get a dipping bowl. Then you step whatever. I forgot the number order of the steps. And then you eat the pancakes with the syrup combined. Combine the syrup and the pancakes together because they live together in harmony. It's the pancake song. The pancake song. That's what happens.